Next, all set now, ready to race number 7. One scratch entry number 5, a spectacular reach. And the race is on. Pleasant Drive fast to begin, brushing up on the outside. Is entry number 2, Secret Ridge. Pleasant Drive, Secret Ridge, Maguindanao Classic, Kit Kat, Fearless Boss is running at the tail of the field. Pleasant Drive by a length and a half, followed by Secret Ridge in second. Maguindanao is racing in third alongside, running in fourth by about 2 lines. Classic, Kit Kat, and Fearless Boss is bringing up the rear. Back to the leader, Pleasant Drive by a length and a half. Secret Ridge pressing up on the outside. Maguindanao remains in third by about 3 lengths as they race the last 500. Pleasant Drive by a neck. Secret Ridge, Maguindanao, Fearless Boss, Classic, Kit Kat as they swing for home. Pleasant Drive by a length and a half. Secret Ridge on the outside. Maguindanao on the further outside. Fearless Boss, but Pleasant Drive by a length and a half. Secret Ridge on the outside to grab the lead. It's now Secret Ridge followed by Pleasant Drive, and finally Secret Ridge number 2. Maguindanao, Pleasant Drive, Classic, Kit Kat, Fearless Boss.